Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play games again. Start by reflecting on what made gaming enjoyable for you previously. Perhaps it was the thrill of competition, the depth of a story, or simply unwinding with friends. Consider trying a new game in a familiar genre or even a completely different style. Dedicate just 15 to 30 minutes each day to play, making it a consistent and manageable habit. A comfortable and efficient setup significantly enhances your gaming experience. Check that your console or PC meets current game requirements for smooth performance. Adjust your monitor's refresh rate to at least 60 Hz for fluid visuals. Also, a good ergonomic chair and balanced room lighting can prevent fatigue during longer play sessions. Gaming is often more fun with others. Seek out online communities dedicated to your favorite titles. Many have thousands of active members. Reach out to friends who also enjoy gaming and suggest playing together. Even jumping into a few casual online matches can quickly reignite your competitive or cooperative spirit, fostering new connections. Enjoying games again means finding a healthy balance. Set a timer for your gaming sessions, perhaps limiting them to 1 or 2 hours daily. Use gaming as a fun reward after you've completed important tasks or chores. Remember to prioritize your work, studies, and social life outside of gaming to maintain overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.